Hello, my name is Darren Woodfork. I'm an attorney here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And at my firm, I specialize in car accident cases and I seal old criminal cases and I restore people's gun rights here at my firm. But today I want to talk about an issue that's completely off topic from those things, and that is estate planning and probate fights. Years ago, I did a little bit of estate planning work, and I just want to share something that's really important when it comes to that. I mean, if you're involved in estate planning, or you're involved in like a probate situation, and basically that's writing wills and establishing trusts and things like that, for when you pass and you leave things to your heirs. But anyways, what I'll talk about today is, I was in maybe let's call it 10, 12 probate fights. Basically, when somebody dies, people would fight the will. They would contest the will in court here, in probate court. And I just remember litigating those cases. And what I want to tell you is that one of the things that is not, it's suspicious, I guess, is what's called the power of attorney. You might know what it is. It's basically a form that gives somebody the right to make financial decisions for somebody else. I'll just tell you that, at least in Arizona, the judges hate power of attorneys. They don't like them. When we were litigating these things, they were very suspicious of power of attorneys that were being introduced as evidence in probate court. And so just think about that. If you're planning an estate or you're planning a trust or things like that, talk to your estate lawyer and see if there's a way that you can do the same thing without getting a power of attorney put into the documents. The alternative, at least back then, and it probably still is, the alternative, instead of a power of attorney, always sign the beneficiary signatures, like on bank accounts or car deeds or things like that. Most of those type of accounts, they will have a place where you can sign for like the second beneficiary, the third beneficiary, things like that. Those are so much more compelling than a power of attorney if it's ever introduced in probate court. So that's just something to think about, something to know. Again, I hope that helps. Like I said, just contact your estate planning lawyer if this is an issue. But just again, try to stay away from power of attorneys because judges just are very suspicious of them. They don't like them. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.